Are you looking for best kitchen utensils in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best kitchen utensils. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Oggi Jumbo Stainless Steel Kitchen Utensil Holder. Made out of durable stainless steel, this product stands out as a great option for storing all your kitchen utensils. It helps keep your kitchen space well organized, and its two-tone satin mirror look makes it a great decorative addition to your space. Easily store all your large cooking utensils and wares with the ever-handy Oggi Jumbo Stainless Steel Utensil Holder. No matter how many utensils you want to keep in it, you'll still be organized. It measures an even 7 by 7 by 7 inches, giving you all the space you need to store your kitchen essentials. It also features a weighted base to provide a solid place for your items. Moving on at number 4, we have the FineDine Stainless Kitchen Utensil Holder. This utensil holder comes with a 360-degree rotating feature that allows for easy access to items and quick storage. It also features removable dividers for proper arrangement and organization of utensils. The FineDine stainless utensil holder is designed with a weighted base that allows it to remain stable and firm on the surface. The plastic base prevents it from sliding, slipping, or wobbling. You can be sure of a steady grip, no matter the number of items placed in it. You can also easily clean it by hand. At number 3, we have the Walford Home Original Kitchen Utensil Holder. If you need enough room to keep your kitchen space well organized, this Walford Home Utensil Holder is your go-to holder. Very spacious and sturdy, it allows you to organize all your kitchen essentials without having to worry about the holder tipping over. It is made out of heavy-gauge steel material that is extremely durable. This vintage utensil holder is 5.3 inches wide and 6.7 tall. This makes it the perfect fit for buyers with large kitchenwares and essentials. The Walford Home Original Kitchen Utensil Holder features a protective padded base that makes it more stable and firm. It also protects your countertop and table surfaces from all kinds of blemishes and damage. At number 2, we have the Doughwin Ceramic Kitchen Utensil Holder. Have you ever been frustrated by utensil holders that just keep falling over and spilling your utensils all over the place? Luckily, the Doughwin Kitchen Utensil Holder has a heavier weight that makes it less prone to falling over. This ceramic holder is built to hold your utensils and protect them, too. This ceramic utensil crock is great for countertops. Measuring 7.2 tall and 6.2 wide, it is a great option for storing larger kitchen tools. Consider it a solution for overcrowded kitchen drawers and for decluttering your countertop. Designed in a vintage-like style, the rustic white holder doubles as visually appealing decor. And finally at number 1, we have the Dynamic Gear Bamboo Kitchen Utensil Holder. Unlike many other traditional utensil holders, this bamboo product offers quality storage space for all kinds of utensils. It is expandable, adjustable, and is built with dividers. This allows you to properly arrange your utensils in an orderly fashion, without getting spoons mixed up with spatulas. This product is built to fit into a standard drawer. It is 17.5 inches long, 13 inches wide, and 2 inches deep, making it a perfect fit for all kinds of flatware, kitchen gadgets, and utensils. It comes with 7 to 9 compartments that allow you to store as many utensils as you want. The Dynamic Gear Bamboo Utensil Holder is very easy to maintain and take care of. Built with water-resistant bamboo material, you can easily clean up the product with a damp cloth to keep it looking beautiful. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.